gals, welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new tutorial that is not colorful, not a cut crease, because I see you guys. I see what you guys are leaving underneath the videos. You want something soft. You're like, Whit, can we please get something that is not a cut crease? I see you. Okay, so I got you guys. This is what I did today. Very soft glamish. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are gonna be doing for Thanksgiving. Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn the bell notification on. That way when I upload, you are notified about it. Follow me on Instagram because, you know, I be serving looks over there, okay? I be serving looks. I be serving looks. But yes, we're gonna go ahead and just jump right on into this look. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so I already have my brows fully filled in using the Anastasia brow pomade, and then to prime my eyes I use the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. For today I want to use this new palette right here. Well, it's not new. Hold on, let me make sure my mirror's not here. It's not new, but it's new to my collection. This is the Mcgrath Mothership 2. I recently picked this up, so yeah, I wanted to play with this. I haven't used it. Now, looking at the palette, it doesn't really have a transition shade, so I'm going to go into the Makeup by Mario, the Master Mattes palette, which I love this palette, y'all. It's really nice. And I'm just going to take this shade right here to kind of like put a color in my crease. We're going to be doing a softer look today because you guys have been asking for that. Well, some of you guys. I get not everyone is really into like those colorful, bold looks that I tend to do. So, you know, just to kind of balance it out here on my channel. So I'm just gonna lay this color down in my crease first, and then I'm gonna hop into the Mothership palette. All right, so that has been laid down. Next, I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is a Morphe M4, oh sorry, no, this is a MAC brush. This is a MAC 217. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is called Dark. And I'm just gonna place this in my outer V. This is gonna be like a nice little soft look. You can wear this on like Friendsgiving. You can wear this on Thanksgiving. I'm actually having Friendsgiving today with my friends. So this week I have a lot of videos planned for you guys. You guys are gonna be getting back-to-back uploads. And hopefully in the month of December, I was supposed to do this video back at the end of October, but I just kept putting it off because I kept buying more stuff and getting more stuff. But I am going to be doing a video showing you guys my entire eyeshadow palette collection, because as you guys can tell, I love eyeshadow palettes. Like, I just review so many and whatnot. By the way, I'm just blending this out with the tip of this. This color is pretty. Very soft, very soft. I'm just gonna layer a little bit more of that dark shade, but I do want to keep this look very soft. I'm trying to avoid going to the black. I'm gonna try to avoid going into the black. I really want to jump into that black, so I'm going to. I'm gonna take a little bit of the black, just a little bit, and I'm just gonna like put this here. I'm sorry you guys, I need a little bit more depth. Like, you could stick to just a dark brown, but the kind of look that I want to go for today, I want a little bit of something to my eye. So I don't want it to be that much of a wash of color. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this black here. Isn't that just so much more prettier? Okay, so that's that. We're not cutting the crease, so no need to fret, because I know you guys, some of y'all are trying to be cutting my crease. I'm going to go into the shade right here called Copper Toned. I'm going to put this down first, and then I think I might play with one of these special shades, like this one right over here. Just because I know that with Pat's like special shades, sometimes they're really glittery and you need something laid down first, or it's just gonna, you know, so yeah, I'm just gonna place this all over. Ooh, that's such a pretty color. This is definitely a softer shimmer color, so it's not anything highly metallic. I don't know if I want to put that topper shade. I think I want to just kind of stick with it being this soft. I kind of like it this soft. I don't know if I want to put anything like super glittery on, but then I do want to, you know what? I think I'm going to just put a little bit of that color like right there in the center. You guys, this is so pretty. I love how soft this is. I really want to see what that gold shade looks like, but at the same time, I like the way this looks. So I'm going to just take my finger and I'm going to go, what is it called? Bronze 005. Taking my finger, I'm just going to like, ooh. Let me see how this looks. Ooh, I'm just going to pop it a little bit on, but I don't want to do too much because I kind of like it on its own, but I do want to see what this looks like. By the way, Pat McGrath is currently doing her Black Friday sale, so if you have been wanting to try Pat McGrath, but not at the regular price, right now she is currently doing 25% off of anything less than, 125 and under, and then if you spend more than 150, it's 30% off. So if you wanted to buy anything from her, this would be a great time. Okay, I like this. This is perfect. This is it to the eye. I'm not doing anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a pair of lashes. The lashes that I use is the same ones I use all the time. These are the AliExpress lashes in the style 5D80. I absolutely love these lashes. I'm gonna do my face on camera with you guys because I haven't done it in a while. So yeah, I'm gonna put these lashes on and then I'll be back to I'm gonna kind of go through my face. I'm not gonna really sit up here and talk just because I don't want the video to be too long, but I will tell you guys what I am using. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so lashes have been put on. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using the NARS, their new soft matte foundation. I wear the color Macau. I wear Macau in actually everything NARS. And I have been loving this foundation. This is perfect if you want, by the way, I primed with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. If you like full coverage and you like a matte finish, you'll like this. Now, I don't have oily skin. I have pretty much normal skin, but I am gonna be going over to my friend's house and I'm gonna be there all day. We're just gonna, have a nice little girls' time. So I do want something that's gonna hold up. And the sponge that I'm using is the Colored Rain, their sponge. I like their sponge. All right, for concealer, I've been using the Clinique concealer. This is their new, the Even Better concealer, and I have been loving this. And I wear the shade, I actually have two shades. I have Golden and Toffee. Wait, hold on, wait, what? No, I have Ginger and Toffee, but Toffee is a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna use this one today. And this is like a nice full coverage concealer, and it doesn't dry down too quickly, so you can take your time and like blend. That's a lot of concealer. Y'all, do y'all see this coverage? I love this concealer. All right, it's time to powder down. I got my hands all dirty from this beauty blender, but anyways. I have been loving the Laura Mercier, their translucent powder in the shade Honey. This is the newer color they just came out with. I just take this and I just like to pat this in. I don't really bake anymore. I just like to press in my powder. I just feel like baking ages the under eye. I just feel like it's not flattering and I don't like it anymore. What's so crazy is how we used to bake so much and then we use up all our setting spray to get rid of that powdery look. Like, it's just crazy. Like, just wasting money using all this powder to now use all your setting spray to just do away with what you just finished doing to your face. Like, no. So this powder is absolutely gorgeous. If you're like my skin tone and deeper, I would highly recommend this because the original Laura Mercier powder, like, I'm able to make it work for my skin tone, but I find that with this powder, I don't have to do any manipulation. Like, I'm able to just put it on and go and not worry about like, oh, let me put something to kind of like tone it down. And then the other shade that Laura Mercier sells, their translucent deep, it's either medium deep or deep, was too dark for me, and it darkened my under eye. So I had bought that when it first came out and I had to return it because I was just like, yeah, it's not working. Then taking my Makeup Forever, this is their matte velvet powder and I have the shade Y405. I'm just gonna take the Sephora brush. This is the Sephora Pro number 99, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes with this. This is like a nice blurring powder. Makeup Shayla raves about this powder, so like I ended up buying it because I was like, well, girl, you look good. And you always talking about this powder, so let me go ahead and buy it so I can look like you too. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I love Makeup Shayla. Like, me and her are best friends in my mind. And her makeup, like, oh my gosh, she is like, she can do complexion. Like, she looks good. You guys, look, I find, like, I love when I hit pan on stuff. So this is the Jouer bronzer and I finally hit pan on it. I bought this bronzer earlier this year and I normally just run my brush through both of them. So I don't know why I haven't hit pan on this side, but yeah, I love when I hit pan on stuff because I just feel like, yeah, I'm using my stuff up. And normally with bronzers, I always just gonna keep one in rotation because, I mean, what's fun about bronzer? You just put it on and you just go. But yeah, I've been using this, and then I have my Tammy, her face palettes from her collab with Makeup Revolution. But this is closer to just grab because it's in my drawer, so I've been using this a lot more. Now I see that Colored Rain is coming out with some bronzers and I'm intrigued to try that out. And then they said they're gonna be launching foundations next year. Best believe I will be buying it and reviewing it, okay? Okay, bronzer has been placed. All right, then taking this is like a blush palette that I made, and it has like some NARS single shadows here. I think for my look, this is a NARS blush right here. I want to say that is, what NARS blush is that? I don't even know. All right, so this is the blush Liberty with an E. I don't know if this blush is still being sold. I know I haven't seen this color in Sephora. You probably find it at like a NARS boutique or on their website. Here in Houston, there's actually a NARS boutique, which I want to go visit. Isn't this a cute color? It's like a nice terracotta shade, and I feel like it goes really well with like that eyeshadow I put there. Okay, now for highlighter, I'm gonna take the Matte Gold Deposit. Fun fact, this was my very first highlighter that I bought. I bought this in 2014, and your girl has actually hit pan on it. I've been using this nonstop for like a year, just cause it's in my drawer, and I don't feel like getting up to go grab the other stuff that I have like in my other makeup storage containers. But y'all, MAC still got it. Okay, Gold Deposit is a classic. Like, look at my cheeks. And I'm not into that crazy blinding highlighter. Whew, when I think about the trends that we used to have, like that crazy streak of highlighter, just overly baked under eyes. Remember the Sacha Buttercup with the super golden under eyes? Ooh, child. Also, I've really been loving this powder. I recently picked it up. This is a Sephora collection, their Micro Smooth Powder, and I wear the shade 60. If you have been wanting to try out that Charlotte Tilbury Her Powder, the Airbrush Flawless, but you don't feel like spending that money, this is a perfect alternative. It smooths you out, like blurs any type of like pores, imperfection, just gives like a really nice soft focus, gives a really soft finish to the skin. So I love this powder. I don't know if the camera is picking up, but y'all, I look good in person. And then I don't want to go too like dark underneath my eyes. By the way, for my top liner, I use the One Size their eyeliner to line my top, which y'all, this is probably the one good thing that One Size put out, because the others I've been putting out, I'm like, but that eyeliner is fire. Okay, it's really black. But I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario. This is his pencil eyeliner, and this is a brown color. And I'm just gonna go ahead and line my waterline. Jumping back into the Pat McGrath Mothership 2 palette, I'm gonna take this brown shade, and this is a Morphe M431, like this, like a little bullet brush or a pencil brush. And I'm just gonna like put that dark brown shade all over. And then taking this really thin brush, I'm gonna go into the extreme black shade right here, and I'm just gonna like smudge this down here just to give a little bit of depth to my under eye, because the brown is cute, but the black is better. And then I'm gonna just put a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Her mascara to just put in here. Now recently I fell back in love with the Morphe setting spray. Listen, Morphe has the capability of putting out really crappy products at times, but if there's one thing that they did good, is this setting spray. I'm gonna give credit where credit is due, and this setting spray, I think I have gone through like 3 cans of this. Absolutely love their setting spray. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. It just look at this. It just brings life right back to my skin. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love their setting spray. Okay, and now let's do lips. As per usual, I'm gonna line my lips using the Colourpop BFF4 lip liner. Don't you guys hate when this happens to you? Ugh. All right, taking the Juvia's Place their lipstick in the shade Libra. Okay, and then I want to take their clear lip gloss. So I don't like to get my gloss all stained with lipstick, so I just put it on the back of my hand. And then I don't have a lip brush, so I'm taking this like concealer brush and I'm just gonna put this on. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. I don't think my earrings match the necklace that I wanted to wear. Matter of fact, I think my earrings might be a little bit too much. I think I need to pick one or the other. I don't think they match. But I don't feel like taking it off. Whatever, I don't care, whatever, we're gonna just make it roll. But anyways, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is it. There's not really much to say. I like the way this came out. It's just very soft, but still a little bit of glam, you know? So you can like pull this out for like, you know, Thanksgiving dinner, you know, stunt on your family members. Like, yeah, I'm here. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. Until next time, I'll talk to you weeks later. Bye.